I think that my contribution over there, if I have to say, I feel maybe three things. One, I wanted the company to act faster, simplifying the organizational structures. When I got in the company, there were 9 layers. In the product development, there were 9 organizational levels. I remember I had a meeting with a friend from Silicon Valley, and to understand, I had to call 9 people. The boss of the boss. I mean, so now we are not 9 people, we are 9 levels, we are 5 levels.
Okay.
The people that are also driving the test drivers of the cars, they were too low in the organization. Now are 3 levels below me, 1, 2. Between me and them, there are only 2 levels. And I think this is important because those are the first clients. So number 1 is to flatten the organization so that you can act faster.
Yes.
And I think in a world where uncertainty is dominating, the speed of action, the speed of changing the direction, the speed of learning is important. The second point, Ferrari supply chain. Ferrari was used to work with companies more or less, let's say, in the range, allow me to say, 1,000 kilometers around where we are. Also because there were not so many new technologies so advanced. I think now you will see more and more cars with technologies coming from all over the world.
Yes.
And I think this is important. And when you work in semiconductors, there is one world that is known to everyone. It's called open innovation. Open innovation means that you can innovate with the people in the company, but also with the people around you. So for a person coming from high tech, India, Japan, Taiwan, Silicon Valley, China, they are all, I would say, rooms of the same apartment. They are not far away. Because you, in the same day, it happens to you to work with people all over the world.
Yes.
And so I think this kind of open innovation, I think, is important. And then the third one, what I was told by some colleague, is that the people became more confident about innovation. Because if you think about ourselves, which are the things that put us in uncomfortable situations? 3 things for me. Whatever is diverse, we are afraid to get in touch with something that is diverse.
Yes.
We are afraid to get in touch with something that is new. And we are afraid to see what happens in the future.
Yes.
If you think,
Yes.
and this can justify many behavior we have. If it is diverse, if it is new, or it is the future, we feel uncomfortable. And it's true, each one of us has its own comfort zone. I may be able to drive at high speed with a visibility of 10 meters. Maybe someone else wants to be able to drive with a visibility of 1 kilometer. I may be able to deal easily with Indian culture. Another one instead is more comfortable to deal with a culture that is closer to his own culture. So I think the best way is to pass, to teach, to tell organization, go, try, you learn, you adapt, you do some mistake, it's okay. If you make a mistake, well, there's no problem. The most important thing is that you learn fast.
Yes.
So I think these 3 things. Number 1 is to have a flatter organization, to gain in speed. 2, open innovation. 3, allow me to say confidence that also if you go in a territory where things are new, diverse, you don't get lost. And I think this helped a lot my experience in the business, in previous business life.